My dearest mom, Mom, you are, you are the one who I could call any moment, and you'd show the surprise. Sometimes telling us to get ready for a trip or a little adventure. Those moments made me feel special and seen. I loved the way you called my name, how you made me laugh, and how your hugs made everything feel right again. I will never forget our adventures, especially Dubai. The roar of the Ferrari racetrack. With you, life deeply and joyfully. You filled our days with courage and curiosity. But more than memories, you give us values. You gave us a strong spirit, a tender heart that keeps us anchored. Those gifts will always stay with me forever. I will miss your voice, your smile, and your warm embrace every single day. Even though you're not here with me now, I carry your love everywhere I go. I promise to look after my dad. Makes you proud. Thank you, Mom, for mm, loving me so completely, for filling my life with joy. Those moments I will always treasure. Your love is always my guiding light. You fought against leukemia. I will never forget you. Your love will always be my guiding light. I will love you forever in my heart always. And with the love from Dani'S, I will always remember you. And I always tell myself every single day, crying won't change a thing. The only thing I can do is make her proud.
Wow. Wow.